A vessel contains 10 liters of pure milk. 1 liter of milk is taken out and replaced by an equal amount of water. 1 liter of mixture is then taken out and replaced by an equal amount of water. Find the ratio of milk and water in the final mixture. Now, the remaining quantity of milk we can easily get by using this formula 10 into now 1 minus, we are taking out 1 liter out of 10. So we write down 1 upon 10. We are repeating the same process again. So 1 minus 1 upon 10. So we have 10 into 9 by 10 into 9 by 10. So the remaining quantity of milk is 8.1 liters. So the quantity of water becomes 10 minus 8.1, that is 1.9. So milk to water ratio becomes 8.1 is to 1.9. Eliminating the decimals, we get the answer as 81 is to 90. So we get the answer as option B.